Hello everyone, welcome to the another video of the pattern program series. So in this video we are gonna discuss about the reverse pyramid of stars. So we have to develop the program to print output like this. So let's get started. So in order to print the number of stars in reverse order, again we need the 5 by 5 matrices or the user entered matrices. So in first row we have to fill all stars, then in second row we have to fill one less star than the above star and so on. So let's do this programmatic. So here I write some snippets of code. So let's get started. So first we declare the n and we'll tell user to print the value of n, that is enter the number of row. So just scan the scan the n as it is integer, so we put %d and address of n. So now we need two for loops. One is for rows and another one is for column. So the column for loop is under the row for loop. So we just declare the I for the variable which we wanna use in the for loop. So I represents the row and j represents the column. Okay. So firstly I just write first for loop which is for row. I is equals to 0, I is less than n, and I plus plus. So here we can see we iterate the loop for the rows, right? So if I gonna print here star and some space, so the output will be like this. If I entered 5, then we have the 5 stars. So now what we have to do here, for the first row we want the output like this, but for the second row we have output for the 4 star, that is the entered value minus 1. Then for the third row entered value minus 2. So to printing this, firstly I declare another for loop which is for the column. Okay. So I just copy paste. So now we see the output like 5 by 5 matrices. So this is printed in one line because we not add the new line. So here we need to add \n, which first execute this loop, that is 5 stars, then break, then again 5 stars, then break. So here you can see we just printed 5 by 5 matrices. So now we have to so guys, just remember the first row is right. We have to decrease the number of star. For the second row we have to print 4 star here, then 3, then 2, then 1. So in code we need to reverse the order of I. Okay, so if we write I here by replacing the value of n, so let's check the another. So guys, this prints the half pyramid of stars like we see in the last video. So let me is equals to, because the iteration goes one value less as we start from 1. So now you can see This is the straightforward pyramid, but now we want to reverse the order. So just reverse the number of the reverse the row for loop. So here, instead of starting the value of I from 0, we can do the value in reverse order, like I is equals to n. That is, for the first row the value of I become 5. So, and we just reverse this also to 0. Okay, again we need is equals to here. And now what will happen for the first row, where the value of I is 5, so it prints the 5 rows. For the second time, the value of I become, which is decrement because we reverse the row. So the value of I will become 4. So it print the 4 star and break the line. And then for the third row, it again decrement the value of I and it print the number of stars. Then again 2, then 1, and so on. So our code will be, our output will be like this. So now you can see the output is as it is, like that we want. So here we print the half pyramid of star. So thank you very much for watching.